Hello, in front of me I've got Ford Escape. In this video I'll show you how to use cruise control. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. Firstly, accelerate to desired speed. Then press Adaptive Cruise Control button. You can see that this function is enabled by this icon right here. Now press Set button to start it. You can let the acceleration pedal go. Press Set plus to increase speed, Set minus to decrease speed, this button to enable lane centering assist, and press this button to change distance from the following car. To disable cruise control, again press cruise control button. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.